Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and here we have to enter the settings which are in the left corner. Let's tap on it. And first of all, before we will actually reset all of those options, let me change something. So let me change the settings in order to actually show you the evidence that the reset option will work. So let's go to the camera, for example, and let me turn on the anti-shake option and also the auto scene detection, for example. We can also set the timer for 10 seconds, and we've got enough changes. So let's go back to the general settings. Let's tap on this strange icon, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the restore defaults option. So sorry, that was a misclick. So let's tap on the restore defaults, and your device will ask you if you really want to restore camera default settings. So let's confirm it with tapping on OK, and we just go back to the camera actually. So let's enter the settings and check all of the changes we've made before. So let's enter the settings. Let's tap on this camera up icon, and as you can see, the anti-shake option is turned off. What's more, it is active because after turning on the auto scene detection, it was turned off, it wasn't active. What's more, the self timer also is turned off, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.